So right here in the back 40, because I need that for the electrical connection that goes from the front of the car to the tank and all. That's where it went through, and I want it because I'm going to put it right back in the floor. A couple of extension cords, some cuss words later. Power. There we go. Perfect. All right, got that power plug thing clamped down on the body there, so I'm going to go ahead and tack it in place and get it welded up, and then I can connect the back of the car to the front of the car, and one step closer to being able to move and start the car again. Very exciting. Fingers keep shrinking, they keep getting hot. I don't know if anybody else has that problem or if I'm just not very good at this. I seem to go through a pair of gloves every year and a half or so. Not a huge deal. I find it kind of funny. Beautiful. Alright, it's actually pretty ugly, but whatever. Look at that. That is just lovely. I need to vacuum in here. It's kind of terrible. is complicated looking. Phew. I'm not saying it's aliens, but it's aliens. Okay, cool. All right. Nice, man, nice. That's good. That's tight enough. Look at that. Oh, the world's only 48s with a nice plug setup like that. That'll do just fine. This is for the dome light and the high mount brake lights. So I'm going to be reusing those. But right now we're going to try to do something with this. Alright, so I couldn't resist. I had to put the seat in it. And when I put the seat in it with that makeshift homemade seat rest that was on it before, way too high. I couldn't even get under the steering wheel. My legs wouldn't even fit. So, weird, but whatever. Turns out there's a whole lot more footwell room than there was before. Look how far this goes in. Look how deep. There's the seat. Look how deep this goes in now. Like, crazy far. It's really, really nice, actually. I was just sitting in it. It's really luxurious. Like, you have a ton of room up here. Not a lot of room here, which is kind of annoying to get out, but a ton of room once you get inside. It's really comfortable. But taking the seat frame off made the seat way too low, so right now I've just got it spaced, and I'll make a bracket later. But I've got like 15 washers stacked up, which I don't think that's DOT approved, but it's about the right incline for the seat to sit, and it's a good height. You can see right out the middle of the windshield. The recline is pretty comfortable. The seat's super comfortable, and I've got the track set up where it'll go all the way forward if anybody's shorter than me, which is not a lot of people because I'm not super tall, but if anybody shorter than me wants to drive, then they should be able to touch the pedals, which is good. I might have to have a booster seat, I don't know. It's still pretty low, but I like it. The car's high, the seats are low. It makes you feel lower than you are, which is kind of cool. But she looks great. I love the seats in it. And yeah, a little dangerous back here, but that's alright. So I went ahead and got the grounds connected. There was one under here that went from the frame to the body, reconnected it. And there's another one on the other side over here that went to where the wiring harness that goes to the third brake light, or where it will go to the third brake light, and the interior lights. I went ahead and shot a temporary self-tapping screw in there, just for the time being. You'll see, it's right there, nothing near it, nothing even close to it. That right there in the front, that's the harness for the high mount brake light. So that'll be great. But there's the main harness there, going up through here. But it's just absolutely perfect placement, and the piece I cut out welded in worked great. Here's the new shocks. And I guess next time I work on this, the project will be this filler neck. Yes, that's just see what she does. Well, that's cool. Look behind you. Drive shaft moving. Oh, brakes are good. It's been a while since I've seen through this windshield.
Deluxe Ford Ranger. Turn on the air conditioner.
It's true. That's what I keep hearing. Whoops. Spare tire. Boy, there's a lot of road noise without a floor.
Sure.
Shoot.
Ride in the new car.
Terrifying.